Yamagata, original owner of the GT500 2014 Shelby. I remember the day when I went out shopping for cars. It was on the list. I definitely had a lot of cars on my list, and we test drove Corvette Z06s, Porsche 959s, you name it. We were out there trying cars. When we finally got to this one, I saved it for last, test drove it. It was definitely the one. Really powerful, 700 horsepower after a couple of upgrades I did, and it's a fun car to drive. So the specs on this car are pretty amazing. Ford did a great job of informing the public of everything they were doing when they were building it and designing it. The ones that really attracted me were some new technologies they were using, like the carbon fiber drive shaft. It's got an amazing supercharger on it. I did a couple of upgrades to it myself, adding some carbon fiber just for aesthetics, but I really wanted to keep true to the car and keep it designed the way Carroll Shelby wanted it.